We were quite early in our continuous improvement journey at the time, and it's something that we'd started ourselves. We'd started putting graphs up and pictures, and we saw that benefits were starting to come. However, we wanted to take that step further, so using Clarity meant that we could get some help with what other companies are doing, seeing what's new in the market, and we've really progressed our visual management to the point where it's really beneficial for the business and the operations as well. When we first launched 5S, we had some photos from a Jotun site in China, and everybody looked at those photos and said, we can't do that in Flixborough. Here we are 5 years later, our site looks fantastic, and it's progressed myself, it's progressed other members of the team in our own careers. We can help other sites now, we are a reference for other sites, especially in Europe.
With the 5S, and obviously everyone's got their daily scores and weekly scores, monthly scores. You know, it helps us identify who's doing good. Obviously also who needs improvement. And we have a lot of this teamwork at Jotun as well, where we like to help each other. So if someone is struggling in an area, someone else will be able to identify it.
Communication is always an extremely important part of any organisation. A key objective of any strategy is to engage every employee and align them with the objectives and the business strategy. And it's never easy. Having a visual management system like the one that we now have in place has made an enormous difference to that.
Ever since we implemented the shadow boards and tool control, it not just significantly improved the 5S, so kept everything always nice and tidy in its own place. It also helped with the efficiency of the workforce, so everyone knows where everything is. And it's so nice to walk around and see the shadow boards so tidily and always full.
In terms of the return on investment that Jotun have seen from this relationship, having looked at the data, we've seen a 15% improvement in efficiency that is directly attributable to the visual management system of this business.
When we first started our improvement journey 5 years ago, we started with 5S, but that's given a foundation for a wider efficiency programme now, which we call our Journey to Excellence. The target for efficiency is a 10% improvement year on year, and Clarity have really helped us along with that.
The quality of Clarity products is excellent. We'd had a look at a number of different suppliers where we engaged with Clarity as an organisation, and the quality of their products far exceeded those of the competition.
The team are all wonderful, everybody's very keen to help, we have fun, we have a laugh, it's really easy to communicate with everybody, quick responses. Yeah, it feels like we're part of the Clarity team.
Would I recommend Clarity to other businesses? Absolutely. We get a first-class product, a first-class service, and for us, it's been a great relationship in the years that we've been working together.